Hi, English learners. I am so happy you are here with me today. Today, I want to share my cleaning routine with you. And stay until the end because Jake will teach you 4 useful phrases from today's story. Also, I have a question for you. What is your cleaning routine like? Think about it while you listen. Let's begin. It's Saturday morning. I finished my coffee a few minutes ago. Now it is time to clean my home. I like to clean on the weekend. It helps me feel fresh and organized. First, I open all the windows. I let the fresh air come inside. This makes the whole house feel new. Now, I start in the bedroom. I make my bed. I pull the blanket nice and straight. I fix the pillows. A made bed makes the whole room look clean. Next, I pick up my clothes from the floor. I put the clean ones back in the closet, and the dirty ones go in the laundry basket. Now, I walk to the living room. I pick up the pillows on my couch. I shake them gently. Then, I fold the blanket on the couch. I like when everything has its place. Now, it's time to dust. I take a soft cloth. I wipe the shelves slowly. I wipe the table too. Dust is everywhere if you don't clean often. Next, I vacuum the floor. The sound is loud at first, but I don't mind. I move slowly from room to room. This part takes some time. After that, I go to the kitchen. I wash the dishes in the sink. Then I wipe the counters. I clean the stove too. A clean kitchen makes me want to cook more. Now I go to the bathroom. I close the door. I clean the sink and the mirror. I wipe until it shines. Then I clean the shower. This is not my favorite part, but it feels good when it's finished. Now, almost everything is clean. I take out the trash. I carry the bags outside. The house already feels lighter. Finally, I sweep the kitchen floor, then I mop it. I like the smell of clean floors. It smells fresh and simple. Now, I look around my home. Everything is clean. Everything is calm. I sit down on my couch. I feel proud. Cleaning is not always fun, but the result is always worth it. I believe a clean space helps a clean mind. When my home is messy, my thoughts feel messy too. But when everything is organized, I feel calm and focused. So, what is your cleaning routine like? Do you clean every day or only on weekends? Do you like cleaning or do you find it boring? There is no right answer. Every person is different. Try to describe your routine in English. You can say it out loud. This is good practice for you. So, that was my cleaning routine. Simple, slow, and satisfying. Listening slowly helps you learn. Just relax and listen. Your English will improve little by little. Now, stay with me, because next Jake picked 4 phrases from today's story. Useful phrases you can use in your own life. Let's listen together.
Hey guys, it's Jake. Did you listen to Jenna's story? She talked about her cleaning routine. Now, I'm going to teach you 4 useful phrases from that story. Let's go. Phrase number 1. Has its place. This means everything belongs somewhere specific. Jenna said, I like when everything has its place. We use this when a room is organized. For example, in my kitchen, everything has its place. Simple, but very useful. Phrase number 2. Takes some time. This means something is not quick. It needs a while to finish. Jenna said, this part takes some time. We use this for tasks that are slow. For example, learning a language takes some time. Be patient, my friends. Phrase number 3. Worth it. This means something is good even if it's difficult. Jenna said, the result is always worth it. We use this after hard work. For example, the exam was hard, but passing felt worth it. I really like this phrase. Phrase number 4. Feel lighter. This means you feel less heavy, less stressed. Jenna said, the house already feels lighter. We use this for feelings too, not just objects. For example, after I finished my work, I felt lighter. Great phrase for daily life. Okay, let's review. Has its place, takes some time, worth it, and feel lighter. Try to use these phrases today, maybe about your own home or your own day. That's all for today, guys. I hope this helped you learn some new English. See you in the next episode. Bye, guys.